Welcome to this complete Lake Como, Italy guide. Imagine a place where serene beauty meets Italian charm, where tranquil azure waters embrace the lush green mountains, creating a haven of tranquility. This is Lake Como, nestled in the Lombardy region of northern Italy. It's a picturesque paradise that has been capturing the hearts of tourists from around the globe for centuries. A place where Italian culture and history are as rich as its breathtaking landscapes. But Lake Como is not just about its stunning panoramas. It's a treasure trove of must-visit places, each with a unique story to tell. We're about to embark on an exciting journey to explore 8 such gems around the lake. From magnificent villas showcasing architectural brilliance to quaint villages exuding rustic charm and grand cathedrals bearing testimony to Italy's rich spiritual heritage, prepare to embark on a journey that will leave you yearning for a taste of the Italian lakeside life. Our first stop is the breathtaking Villa del Balbianello. Nestled on the tip of a small wooded peninsula, this 18th century villa is a jewel of Lake Como. Its history is as captivating as its architecture, being the vision of Cardinal Angelo Maria Durini, a man of refined taste and a passion for art. From its loggia, one can't help but be mesmerized by the panoramic views of the lake, a sight that has enchanted visitors for centuries. The villa's beauty extends beyond its walls as its terraced gardens cascade down towards the water, a testament to Italian landscaping prowess. And for those with a flair for the dramatic, you might recognize Villa del Balbianello as a film location for movies like Star Wars and Casino Royale. Yes, even James Bond couldn't resist the allure of this place. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a film enthusiast, there's something for everyone here. Immerse yourself in the cinematic splendor of Villa del Balbianello. Next, we journey to the Grand Villa Carlotta. This magnificent villa is a treasure trove of artistic masterpieces, each one more breathtaking than the last, beckoning you into a world of timeless elegance. Here you can marvel at the work of eminent artists such as Canova, Hayes, and Migliara, their genius immortalized within the villa's stately walls. But the artistry doesn't end indoors. The villa is surrounded by a lush botanic garden, a symphony of vibrant colors and delicate fragrances that change with the seasons. It's a testament to the beauty of nature, meticulously nurtured over centuries. And let's not forget the panoramic views of Lake Como that Villa Carlotta generously offers. The sight of the serene lake, framed by the majestic Alps, is a spectacle that can steal your breath away. So whether you're an art connoisseur, a nature lover, or a history buff, Villa Carlotta has something for you. Experience the fusion of art, nature, and history at Villa Carlotta. Now we traverse to the charming Bellagio village. Nestled in the heart of Lake Como, Bellagio, often referred to as the Pearl of Lake Como, is a treasure trove of picturesque landscapes and unique experiences. As we stroll down the quaint streets, we're greeted by a symphony of vibrant flowers cascading down from balconies and windowsills. Every turn reveals a new splash of color, a sight that instantly lifts the spirits. Bellagio isn't just about the flowers, though. It's a place where tradition meets charm. The delightful local eateries, for instance, are a testament to this. From the rustic trattorias serving mouth-watering risottos to the charming gelaterias offering an array of flavors, the village is a gastronomic paradise. For the shoppers among us, Bellagio offers a variety of boutiques showcasing local craftsmanship, from silk scarves to hand-painted ceramics. So, whether you're a foodie, a nature lover, or a seasoned shopper, Bellagio Village has something for everyone. Indulge in the quaint charm of Bellagio Village. Let's now explore the picturesque Varenna. Tucked away on the eastern shore of Lake Como, Varenna is a charming fishing village that will steal your heart. It is a symphony of vibrant colors with houses painted in shades of pink, yellow, and orange, creating a stunning contrast against the azure waters of the lake. As you wander through the labyrinth of cobbled streets, every turn reveals a new vista, each one more enchanting than the last. You'll find yourself drawn towards the waterfront, where lakeside cafes offer the perfect spots to soak in the views, sipping on a cappuccino while the world lazily drifts by. But the gem of Varenna is undoubtedly its famous love walk, the Lover's Path. A promenade framed by lush greenery, it follows the water's edge, providing breathtaking views of the lake and mountains beyond. It's the perfect place to lose track of time, hand in hand with your loved one. Experience the romantic allure of Varenna. Our journey continues to the enchanting Villa Melzi Gardens. A place that is a testament to the grandeur of Italian horticulture, where every corner is a feast for the senses. The gardens are a symphony of colors and fragrances, with an array of beautiful flowers that dance under the Italian sun. But it's not just about the flowers. Exotic plants from every corner of the globe have found their home here, contributing to the garden's diverse and lush tapestry. The scent of citrus and jasmine linger in the air, a sweet reminder of the garden's Mediterranean spirit. The beauty of Villa Melzi Gardens is further enhanced by stunning sculptures that pepper the landscape. Each one tells a story, adding a touch of timeless elegance to the verdant surroundings. Here, in the heart of Lake Como, you'll find a serene atmosphere that encourages relaxation and contemplation. It's a place where one can truly escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life, escape into the tranquil beauty of Villa Melzi Gardens. Next, we travel to the lively Bellagio. This charming town, nestled on the western shore of Lake Como, offers a delightful blend of natural beauty and Italian culture. The heart of Bellagio beats within its bustling cafes. Sip on a frothy cappuccino as you watch the world pass by, or perhaps indulge in a scoop or two of creamy Italian gelato. The town's beautiful promenade is a sight to behold, with vibrant flowers adding splashes of color against the backdrop of the lake's serene blue waters. As you stroll along the promenade, the stunning lake views are a constant companion, a picture-perfect postcard at every turn. Bellagio isn't just about leisurely strolls and coffee breaks. It's a hub for recreational activities too. From boating and swimming to hiking in the nearby hills, there's something here for every adventurer. So whether you're a laid-back lounger or an active adventurer, Bellagio is a must on your Lake Como itinerary. Experience the vibrant lifestyle of Bellagio. Let's marvel at the architectural masterpiece that is Como Cathedral. Picture an architectural gem standing tall in the heart of Como City. It's not just any building, but the emblematic Como Cathedral. A symbol of the city's rich heritage, the cathedral dates back to the 14th century and is a testament to the genius of the architects of its time. The cathedral's exterior is a beautiful blend of Gothic and Renaissance styles, a visual symphony of towering spires, intricate carvings, and vibrant stained glass. Step inside and you are welcomed by an awe-inspiring interior, a realm of hushed reverence, where the play of light and shadow dances on the ornate carvings, frescoes, and the grand altar. A visit to Como Cathedral is not just about admiring an architectural marvel, it's a journey through history, an exploration of art, and a celebration of human ingenuity. So, as we traverse the winding streets of Como, let's pause, look up, and immerse ourselves in the grandeur of Como Cathedral. Finally, we arrive at the serene Villa Monastero. This enchanting villa is not just a feast for the eyes with its peaceful gardens and stunning lake views, but also a banquet for the brain. The villa houses an internationally renowned scientific museum, brimming with centuries of knowledge and discoveries. The gardens are quite the spectacle, a symphony of colors and fragrances, where nature seems to conspire to create a tranquil oasis. They are a testament to the artistry of gardeners past and present, coaxing beauty from every leaf and petal. The villa itself, nestled in this idyllic setting, has a rich history. Over the years, it has evolved from a Cistercian convent in the 12th century to a noble residence, and today it stands as a significant cultural and educational center. Immerse yourself in this blend of intellectual stimulation and visual delight. Discover the blend of knowledge and tranquility at Villa Monastero. That brings us to the end of our journey around Lake Como. We've traversed the enchanting Villa del Balbianello, where every corner whispers tales of history and grandeur. We've marveled at the artistic splendor of Villa Carlotta, a testament to Italy's long-standing love affair with the arts. We've strolled through the cobblestone streets of Bellagio Village and Varenna, two picturesque towns that could easily be the backdrop of a romantic movie. We've basked in the serene beauty of Villa Melzi Gardens and taken a leisurely promenade in Bellagio, a charming town that's very essence is relaxation. We've stood in awe at the architectural marvel that is Como Cathedral and explored the historic corridors of Villa Monastero, a place where time seems to stand still. These are but glimpses of what Lake Como offers. To truly appreciate its beauty, one must experience it firsthand. So, pack your bags and let the allure of Italy's most romantic lake draw you in. Lake Como awaits you with its Italian charm and breathtaking views. Arrivederci.